Let's be honest, the intraoral scanner market is getting pretty oversaturated. Most of the dentists we talk to are honestly overwhelmed by all of the options that are out there. And labs, they're constantly wondering which scanner portals they need to integrate with and which they should even recommend to their dentists. With so many options flooding the market, it's getting harder and harder to tell which scanners are actually worth paying attention to. So today, instead of talking about some of the scanner brands everyone's already familiar with, we're unboxing a new contender that's been quietly gaining traction in digital dentistry. This is the Alliedstar Sensa, a wireless intraoral scanner that costs about 1/3 of the price of flagship scanners. Designed to compete directly with the big players without the ecosystem lock-in and subscription baggage. So without further ado, let's open it up and see if this scanner deserves a spot on your shortlist. Inside the box, you'll find the scanner, the charging dock, 4 scanning tips, and the power adapter with region-specific plugs. Right away, the scanner feels lightweight and compact, which is important if you're scanning patients all day. It weighs just under 250 grams and is fully wireless, so there's no cable getting in the way during scanning. That alone makes the chairside workflow cleaner, more flexible, and very easy to follow. The Alliedstar Sensa captures scans at a rate of about 20 frames per second, allowing smooth, continuous scanning without constantly losing track. It also uses AI-assisted scanning software that automatically filters out soft tissue and artifacts. That means fewer rescans and cleaner data sent to your lab. The Sensa's accuracy is also very impressive. It delivers around 20 micron full arch accuracy, which puts it in the same performance range as many flagship scanners that cost significantly more. From the lab's perspective, another advantage is that the scanner exports open STLs, making it easier to download into whatever LMS you're using. That means labs can import scans directly into their CAD workflow instead of being locked into proprietary portal. And with automation tools like EviSmart, dental labs can automatically download and organize cases from different iOS portals all into one place. So where does the Sensa actually stand out compared to more established scanners? 3 things. First, price to performance. At roughly 1/3 of the cost of many flagship scanners, the specs are surprisingly competitive. Second, wireless mobility, which improves ergonomics and flexibility chairside. And third, open architecture, which gives labs more freedom in how they manage scan data. In a market where many scanners try to trap users in closed platforms, that level of openness is just refreshing to see. At the end of the day, with how saturated the intraoral scanner market is, what separates new, worthwhile scanners from the rest is usability and practicality. And the Alliedstar Sensa seems to be positioning itself as exactly that. A scanner that delivers strong performance without the heavy price tag or ecosystem restrictions. This is something both clinicians and labs can appreciate. So if you're a lab or a clinic exploring digital workflows, we'll leave some helpful links in the description, including more details about the Alliedstar Sensa, how EviSmart helps labs manage iOS portals like Alliedstar, and where clinics and labs can find more information about or where to purchase a Sensa. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more digital dentistry tech reviews and dental lab management tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.